Today, we're going to see the patient, 27 years old, male pattern hair loss level 3. During the consultation, he told me when he get up in the morning, when he see himself to the mirror, and hair loss have progressed to level 3, and his confidence level has gone down, and his self-esteem has gone down. We're going to use the Smart FU technique to give him a new look now. Tell us what is the main reason that you decided to do a Smart FUE procedure?
My main reason is my main thing is my look, and the second thing is my confidence. When I see in the mirror myself, my confidence is go down when I sit with my friends, and that is not that confidence, here. So I want to make my life more better. Yeah.
We have done the follicle study, and we will try to locate the best graph. Double, triple will be the first choice so that he get higher density. Of course, single also is needed for the hairline. This is the male pattern hair loss level 3, which is N-shape, and we can see on the right side here wider recession and more deeper recession here compared to the left side. It's asymmetrical. This side we have to put more because the recession is more here. Now we're going to give him a good design to frame the face and the surgical planning to fill up the hairline. This is the anterior point, this on the right side, right lateral point, and this is on the left side, left lateral point. When I connect all the dots right from the anterior point and going to the right lateral point, the hairline appears. Yeah, we just completed the hairline design. Behind here is the semicircle area, is what we call a follow-up. Here we're going to do a dense packing. This is the area, the frontal temple angle. The hair is going this way, and this hair is going this way. When we plant, we follow the original flow of the hair. The goal here is we're trying to get a good density so that the light is unable to go through when he reaches to the optimum growth in 8 months, 9 months to a year. During the harvesting, the graft quality was good. And the transaction rate was less than 5%. We have just completed the Smart FU procedure. From tomorrow onwards is the Smart Graft Care. Day 1 to day 7 will be the Smart Graft Care again, and hopefully by day 7 all the microscap will be out.
The procedure is very nice. I was really chilling, I was using my phone during, and I don't have any pain. They are doing very well. I enjoy it. I didn't feel anything. I just feel like home. I'm just laying down on bed, and just they are just doing as a normal. Yeah, same sitting. I'm sitting as a barber. They cutting my hair, and same like that. And thank you for the GLOJAS, and I'm just hoping for the good result of my hair.